Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can create this awesome PowerPoint template using Morph transition and slide zoom feature. You can click on these icons to go on your desired slide, and then you can return back to your original slide. So let's start, my friends. Okay, so let's start with the blank presentation. For this layout, I am choosing this blank layout and I'm changing its background as a picture. So I have downloaded a couple of pictures from Pexel and pixabay.com. I'm using this picture for my background. Now let's add some text, which will be agenda. So what will be our presentation agenda? We will cover that here. For font, I am using script. Let me increase its size to 60. Okay, and I'm changing its color to this blue-gray color. And now it is looking perfect. Let me align it a little bit. Okay, now I'm inserting some 3 circles here. I don't want the outline for these circles, so I've selected that no outline, and then I want to cover 3 pointers here. Okay, so first will be introduction, and the font again I have to change it to script. Let me increase its size, let's say 24. Let me copy this text box, and here I'm talking about our services, and the third will be, let's say, our products. So if you can see my original slide, there is this paintbrush kind of effect. Okay, so to create that effect you need one special font that is called Overdrive Sunset, which you can download from any of the font site, or you can find the link in the video description as well. So I'm inserting capital I here, and I'm changing its font as Overdrive Sunset, and then I'm increasing its size to, let's say, 200. Let's align it. Okay, perfect. And let's change its color. Since it is a font or a text, so we have to change its color from here. Okay, let's select these 3 boxes. For them also you choose this script, and then you can insert 1, 2 and 3, and you can change the color for these circles. So let's say for 2 I'm selecting this, and for 3 I'm selecting teal. Okay, so our first slide is ready. Let's create the next slide. So let me insert another blank slide here. Now I will copy these 3 things because I need these 3 things in my next slide, and I'll paste them here, and let me place this introduction here. Let us select this test justification as center, and then let me increase its size a little bit, so let's say 40, and I'm aligning it to center of the slide. Let's align this paintbrush effect also. Okay, now the last thing which we have to do, so let's reduce slide zoom, and then now you can press Ctrl and Shift key together, and then you can drag this circle, so it will increase its size, and then you can place it here. I think we need we need a bigger circle here, so let's make it a little bigger and then align it to center. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, for this font let us select some other color which is more visible. So let me select this. I don't want this in the same color, so let me select some other color for this. Perfect. Now let's zoom back again. Now we need some text here, so I'm choosing the text from my original slide which I have created earlier. So let me copy paste this text here. Now we need to insert a couple of circles here. Let's say I'll add some 3 circles which will talk about our team, our journey and our locations. Okay, so let me insert one circle here. I want that circle of around 2.5 by 2.5. And the slide number 2, what we have to do, we have to select this icon and this circle, and we have to save it as a picture. So let us say this is talking about team, so let me save it as team. Similarly, I need to save this also. So this is our journey. Okay, and this one is about location, so let me save this also as locations. Okay, perfect. Now you have to go to this insert option and you have to find this slide zoom button, which is available in Office 365. So you can click on this, then you can click on this slide zoom. Now you can insert this slide number 3 here. Now you can see it is coming like this, right? So let's go to zoom tool and let's click on this return to zoom. So once our presentation is over and we click on this slide, it will return back to this original slide. Okay, and now let's change its picture. So for that, actually we have saved these icons as pictures, so I'll replace this with this one. And if you have remembered, like we have created this circle as 2.5 by 2.5, so we'll try to match that. Okay, now you can delete this icon and this circle, and you can replace this with this image. If you see here, it has some border also, so you select this and you go to this zoom button, and then you click on this zoom background. Okay, similarly we have to do it for this our journey also. So let us go again to this insert, go to this zoom, click on this slide zoom, select this slide 4 and insert, then go to zoom tools, click on this zoom background so that that border should not come, click on this return to zoom, and then change the picture. And this time we'll select this journey and let's reduce its size to around 2.5 to 2.5. Okay, and then you can delete this circle and icon and replace this with this image. Okay, similarly for this locations also we have to do. So again we will go to insert, click on this zoom, slide zoom, select slide number 5, insert, and then go to zoom tools, click on this zoom background, return to zoom, and change picture as locations. Okay, and then align it to 2.5 to 2.5, and let's delete this and replace this with this one. Perfect. Now when we play this, see, when we click on this, our team slide is open, and when we click on it again, it is going back to our original slide. Similarly, when we are clicking on this our journey, it is opening this journey slide, and then it is going back to original slide. Similarly with this location also. Okay, so we are done till here. Okay, now again what we have to do, we have to copy this agenda here and paste it here, and while pasting we have to select this keep source formatting option, and let's go back to transition and apply that morph transition here again. What will happen when we apply this morph transition here? So when we go from here, it is going like this, then on our team again it is coming back to our original slide, our journey, back to original, locations, back to original, and then it is going back to agenda. Okay, perfect. Now we have to create the same effect for our service section also. So let me quickly create these slides for you, and you enjoy this music. let me quickly add these slide zooms by following the same steps which we have followed earlier. Okay, so let's add the agenda slide at the bottom with keep source formatting option. And let's go to the transition and apply this morph effect on slide number 11 and slide number 7. Now let's go back to slide 1 and let's see how it is playing. Perfect. So we have reached to the end of our video, and I hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.